How to reopen a saved project in Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive on your computer. Once the program is running, look for the file menu at the top of the screen. Click on it to open the drop-down options. Next, select Open from the list. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate to the folder where you saved your Kdenlive project file. Kdenlive project files usually have the extension .kdenlive. Then, find your saved project file, click on it to select and press Open. Your project will load with all your clips, edits and timeline intact, ready for you to continue working. If you recently worked on a project, you can also use the Open Recent option under the File menu. This shows a list of your most recently saved project for quick access. And that's it. Now you know how to reopen a saved project in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.